Wakey, wakey, boys. Good morning. Time to go to school.
I don't want to go to school. I don't want to go to school. Can I stay at home from school today, please?
No way. Come on. You need to go to school. I'm gonna get your breakfast ready. I'll see you upstairs. Come on, boys. Chop, chop.
Yes, we need to think of a plan. We need to stay home from school. Aha! I have a plan. Oh, radiator's boiling hot. Let's pretend we have high temperature. How do we do that? Feel my head. It's boiling from the radiator. Oh, ouch. That is extremely hot. Oh, our heads are boiling from the radiator. We have high temperature. Yay!
Boys, come on. Why aren't you getting up? You know what time it is. Come on, let's get ready for school.
We don't feel very well, Mummy.
What do you mean you don't feel very well? Just get up and get ready. You look pale. Oh, my goodness, you are boiling. It must be 40 degrees. Let's see. Oh my goodness, you are roasting. You have really high temperature. Oh, okay. I'm gonna get you medicine. And oh, this is really bad timing. I have to go to work today as well. Do you think you can stay at home on your own today?
Yes, Mummy.
Will you manage?
Yeah, we will manage.
Oh dear, dear. This is bad timing. Just the day when I have to go.
Yes, we did it!
Okay, my poorly boys, I'm off to work, but I only be 2 hours, alright? Call me on a mobile in case you need me, alright? I gave you medicine, your temperature is going down, but I called school already that you can't come, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, can you be really good boys for me, alright?
Yeah.
Just sit there, have a nap, look after your doggy and rest, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll see you in 2 hours, okay? Bye-bye, boys.
Okay.
Bye.
Oh, I can't believe that trick actually worked. We should do this more often. Peter, can I have your pillow? It's much softer. No way. It's filled with feathers and it's so soft. Give me that pillow or I'll kick you. If you kick me, I'll kick you back. Ow! 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 Ow!
Oh bother, we are pooped.
Yes! There you go. Thanks for that. Thank you. Oh my god. Mummy's coming soon. We better clean up right now. Phew! That vacuuming was hard work. I'm sweating. I'm sweating too. Phew!
Boys, I'm home. Oh, hello, my poorly boys. How you feeling? Any better?
Feeling very good.
Very good. Let's see. Oh, you're still hot and you're sweating. Oh my goodness. I think you're even worse than you were. Let's see you. You are so hot and sweaty. Oh, I think I may take you to emergency room in hospital. You are much worse than when I left you. Oh, you know what? Let's give you some Coke. Maybe a packet of crisps to fill you up a bit, and let's see if the temperature goes down, okay?
Okay. I'm never gonna go to school again with this trick. Here's to being fake poorly.